Hello, my name is Emma and welcome to your simple swaying exercise video without talking. So this video is a follow-on from my first video where I made the simple swaying exercise to regulate your nervous system. And in that video, I explain the whats, the hows, the whys of regulating your nervous system and how this exercise does that and helps you and how you can apply it. So I'll link that video below. The purpose of this video specifically, it was actually requested by a commenter, was to have this exercise recorded silently just so you could press play and do the exercise with me in a frequent way. So you could just press play and you didn't have to hear the whole explanation every single time. So it was more like an exercise, like a container. You could just press play, it'll be a timer for the amount of time you do it, and then have it finish. So that's the exercise, that's the intention for this video. I will timestamp where we start this exercise so you can jump straight to that. To get started, I will simply explain what we're doing, and then as soon as we start, I will be quiet and we'll finish about 5 to 7 minutes after we start, and I will stay quiet throughout that time. That's just your heads up. So let's get started. Okay, so just to get started, hopefully you can see my feet or kind of guess where they are. We're standing about hip width apart. So your feet generally aren't standing underneath your hips. Make sure you're comfortable. Keep your knees kind of soft. Make sure you're hopefully standing in something that's comfortable to stand in, but you can do this exercise anywhere really. It's just extra comfortable if you've got comfy shoes on. So all we're going to be doing is swaying left to right. And you're keeping your feet generally flat on the ground, unless of course that's uncomfortable for your knees. And you're keeping your knees kind of soft. But it doesn't have to be, just making sure you're not pushing against any tension, and you just sway left to right. And we're going to keep doing this for about 5 to 7 minutes. We'll aim for about 7 minutes, but sometimes, that might be 5 minutes might be enough. So in a moment, I will stop talking. Just make sure you get the hang of it first. Left to right, and you're breathing as you're moving left to right. Making sure you can breathe easy. Keeping those knees relaxed. Okay, we're going to start now. So I'm being quiet from now. Okay, just a few more times, left to right. And we're going to be finishing up. So you can gently come back to a standstill. Might want to just stretch your arms out a little bit, reach up, and shake your legs out. Make sure my jeans are properly up. Undid them so I could breathe properly. Okay. Shake your legs out, and you might want to even roll your ankles around too, just if you've been that pressure left to right, just to ease some of that tension. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you got some benefit from that you enjoyed it. Feel free to let me know in the comments how you went with that. I will add the link to the previous video that explains all of the information about how that exercise is beneficial in the comments below, along with some of my other playlists, which have so many nervous system regulation tools and exercises and Q&As in there about this topic. So thank you for being here. If you find that after this exercise you feel a little emotional, or you need to rest, or just anything has come up for you that needs to perhaps be processed, or you need to be gentle with yourself about, make sure you do that. Have plenty of water. Make sure you're well fed, you have something to eat. And if you need to give yourself a bit of time to just be gentle and let your system relax, do that as well. Some examples of that could be lying on the couch, going out in nature, going for a walk. Maybe you feel the need to do some exercise, or have a bath, a shower, have a nap, anything that kind of grounds you, even just placing your bare feet on the ground. Anyway, I hope you are well, and I hope you enjoyed this, and have a great day or night. Bye bye.